Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey everyone, my name is Ceci Alzina Karima Rasta, and in this video, I'm going to explain why I choose this article as a reference for my own paper, which is titled "The Role of Artificial Intelligence in Supporting EFL Learners' Academic Writing." Before I start, I will show the title of the article on the screen for a few seconds, so you can see which reference I used. Alright, and in this presentation, I will answer three main questions. First, which reading text I choose and why. Second, what the most important thing I learned from it. And third, what additional thoughts or question came to my mind while reading it. First question, which reading text did you choose and why? The answer is the article I chose is titled "The Role of Using ChatGPT AI in Writing Medical Scientific Articles," written by L. Benico in 2023. I chose this article because the topic is highly relevant to my own research. Although the article focuses on the medical field, the central idea is actually universal. It discusses how AI tools like ChatGPT can support the process of academic writing by improving structure, clarity, and accuracy. I found that this concept fits perfectly with my topic about EFL learners. Just like medical researchers, many AFL students also face challenges with writing academic texts. They struggle with organizing ideas, choosing the right words, and using correct grammar. So, I believe that if AI can help improve scientific writing in the medical field, it can also be very helpful for students learning English as a foreign language. Another reason I choose this article is because it doesn't only talk about the benefits of AI, but also about its limitation, which I think is very important to discuss in the context of education. The most important thing I learned from this article is that AI should not replace human creativity and critical thinking. Instead, it should be used as a supporting tool. According to the author, ChatGPT can improve both the quality and productivity of scientific writing. Writers can use it to correct grammar, enhance vocabulary, and even restructure paragraphs. However, the author also emphasized that AI cannot replace the originality, creativity, and ethical responsibility of human writers. This is a very valuable point, especially for EFL learners. AI can definitely help students correct their mistakes and make their writing more academic, but they still need to understand the meaning behind their sentences and be responsible for their own ideas. Otherwise, they might become too dependent on AI and lose their own writing identity. So, what I learned is that we should use AI wisely, not to finish the work for us, but to help us learn and improve through the process. In other words, AI should act like teaching assistant that shows us how good writing looks, so that we can learn from it and become better writers ourselves. While, re- while, while reading this article, several thoughts and questions came to my mind. The first question was, if AI can help medical writers produce better papers, Will it have the same effect on EAV learners who are still developing their English skills? Writing in a second language is more complex because it involves not only structure and grammar, but also cultural understanding and cognitive patterns. Second, I start thinking about ethics. If a student let ChatGPT write their entire essay, can we still say that it's their own work? This raises an important issue about academic honesty. Teachers need to create clear guidelines so that students understand how to use AI ethically as a learning partner, not as a shortcut. Third, I also talk about motivation. AI might boost students' confidence because their writing looks better, but it could also make them lazy to learn grammar or vocabulary on their own. That's why I think balance and guidance are very important. Teachers should help students use AI in a way that still encourage learning and independent thinking. Finally, this article inspired me to think about how AI could be integrated into writing classes. For example, teachers could ask students to compare their original text with the AI's edited version and then discuss the differences together. This kind of activity would make AI a tool for reflection and discussion, not just an automatic answer generator. To conclude, this article helped me understand that artificial intelligence has a powerful but limited role. It can support EAV learners by helping them improve grammar, organization, and confidence, but the most essential elements, creativity, critical thinking, and originality, will always come from humans. Thank you so much for watching my presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.